Hey, this is Sean for Sean Cole Enterprises. Um, Making a video for you today. Just got some news down the pike about some unfortunate situation that's going on out here in the MLM community. Um, Another company that we once were in competition with, still are, um, is not doing right by their people. The company that I'm with, Royalty, has extended a helping hand out to those affiliates that are with that company that have not been paid. Being paid is a very big deal when it comes to doing what we do. Um, our families depend on our income. We depend on our income. And from what I'm understanding, a lot of their affiliates have not been paid in as long as 4 weeks. Not all, but some. And I know I would be very unhappy if I had not been paid in 4 weeks worth of time. I have bills, I have children, I have college tuition that needs to be paid. And I would be very unhappy with that. So what we're doing is we're extending an olive branch, a helping hand to those that may have customers, have a downline, or whatever, or just looking to make a change. Come on over to Royalty. Royalty is taking care of you, and as you can read here in the background, they are also offering to pay a bill and to make you whole. I would advise you to jump on that, man. That's a hell of a token for a company to do for people and their families. Like I said, my heart goes out to those people that are affected by that. Um, Come on over. Bring your downline, bring your customers. Royalty pays 5 levels deep. There's plenty of money to be made, plenty of bonuses, and we get paid on the regular. We've never had an issue with being paid. Never had an issue recently with customer service. With every startup, there were some issues at the beginning, but now everything is running smooth. Um, we have a great app. You get unlimited business cards. We have the best CRM in, I would say, in the online marketing field as far as what you can do with the Royalty Upline app. Excuse me. And many other things and products that we offer. We're not just a beacon company, which what we were when we started. We have now evolved into a tech company, a customer support company, a sales support company, which shows a lot of growth in the little over a year that this company has been around. And come on over, take a look. Takes you roughly about $90 to get started, but like I said, the lessen the blows of the switch, Royalty is offering you some type of compensation for that. Um, Take a look at it, man. Right now, we're the best thing going in this field, and if you're in any type of MLM, we touch a lot of different things just besides beacons, and mobile guest Wi-Fi. Like I said, we have evolved. We're now more so a tech company. We have the um, the Upline app that we can keep track of all your sales, all your customers, when no matter what company you in, not just for Royalty. If you run any other company, any other business, you can use this software. It gives you unlimited upload capabilities. Say if you have a downline and you need to share information with your team, you can share graphics, you can share videos, and like I said, all of that is unlimited. Um, Consider that feature something like Dropbox, but Dropbox charges you once you reach a certain point. Royalty isn't. They give it to you under your regular monthly fee that you charge, which can be as low as $25 a month, depending on what your package is. Again, my heart goes out to the affiliates that are affected by this, but like I said, come on over to us. Royalty is making an attempt to make you whole and also get you earning. Right now, like in the month of September, we have a sales bonus, 5 sales, $250 bonus. You can't beat that. You join my team through my link. I'm giving away sales bonuses to Orlando, Vegas, to my top salesman. It can't be beat. Come on over. We'll take care of you. You'll never not get paid with Royalti. Our customer service is top notch. They fully support their affiliates over here at Royalti. I've thoroughly enjoyed my time here. They have been very good to me and my team. Come on, take a look. The link's down in the description of the video. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me, Sean Cole Enterprises, 410-929-3390. And you have a great day. Thank you for your time.